Hey y'all, today we're making a raisin and cream cheese bagel spread slash dip. Okay, so you need half a cup of whipped cream, half a cup of marshmallow cremate, and 8 ounces of cream cheese. And of course, we're gonna need some raisins as well. All right, so y'all know how we do. We start off by going ahead and breaking down our cream cheese that we've set on the counter for 30 minutes to an hour to let soften up so it's easier to work with, but it's even easier to work with, y'all know, once we have it all chopped up. Okay, so once you do that, you want to go ahead and get ready to go ahead and put it in your mixer, or you can use a hand mixer as well. So just go ahead and add all your ingredients to the bowl. Of course, that's our marshmallow creme, so since it's so, sticky like that. But it's so sweet and yummy too. There's our whipped cream. All right, and so we're going to start the mixing process. So just start low and then speed it up so you can go ahead and start getting everything whipped, because this is going to be a whipped consistency by the time that we get done with it. Okay, so we're there, and we're going to go ahead and transfer everything into our dish right here. And then we're going to go ahead and fold in our raisins. You don't want to do it in the mixing process because you don't want, like, those raisin streaks through your dip. So just go ahead and add your raisins in there and give it a stir. Yeah, I was doing too much with the big spoon at first. We'll go ahead and give it a stir, and then you can refrigerate this until you're ready to use it. So that's what I did. I put it in the refrigerator, and then the next day I got it out, to show y'all too that it's still whipped the next day. All right, so we're here. So we have our toasted bagels ready to go. These are raisin bagels, raisin and cinnamon. They're so good. And you just, this is like, 2 minutes out of the refrigerator. I didn't have to let it stand or anything. So just get in there with your knife and go ahead and spread it around, y'all, as much or as less cream cheese as you like. And just, get it popping with this snack slash breakfast recipe. Really quick, really easy. And you can make your own spread at home. So why not? As always, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like it, share it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we'll definitely see y'all next time.